Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload images in Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is an amazing tool. It is an AI tool wherein you create a text prompt and it will automatically generate the image that you want to have. So with that being said, let's head on to our computer browser and just simply go to the Midjourney website. That is www.midjourney.com. As you can see right here, it will automatically lead to this homepage right here. And now once you have done that, all you have to do is to click on the join the beta right here, and it will automatically go to Discord. Now I highly suggest that you have a Discord with you so that you can actually work with Midjourney. So once you have done that, just click on accept invite right here, and it will open my Discord together with the Midjourney. So as you can see, the Midjourney bot is already in my Discord, and I highly suggest to create a server with a Midjourney bot right here so that you will have some privacy working, and you don't have a lot of, for example, I'm just going to show you right here, a lot of command prompts that was answered by a lot of people. So I highly suggest that we have to create our own server. Now to do that, all you have to do is go to add server right about here and just select create my own right here. So you can just actually select what the server is all about. So just skip this question for now if you're not sure, and just name your server like Midjourney Mic right about there. I'm just going to select create right here. As you can see, we have created our own server. And next is I want to add the Discord bot on my Midjourney. I want to add the Midjourney bot into my server. So I want to go to the Midjourney channel right here and actually select the Midjourney bot right here under the members. I'm just going to right click on that. Just going to click on that, and now just click on add to server, and now you want to select the server that you want to add. So let's just go to here. This is the recently created server that we have just recently created, the Midjourney Mic right here, and just going to select continue, and now make sure to authorize right about here and just click on authorize, and just enter the reCAPTCHA right about there, just about that. On verify right here. So as you can see, we have now authorized Midjourney to my server. So next is I want to go to my server, and as you can see, the Midjourney bot is already inside my server. Now what you want to do is just to start uploading your images. Just click on the plus icon right here and select upload a file. So now select the photo that you want to upload. So for now, I'm just going to select this photo right here that we have just downloaded from Google. Next is to open and hit on enter. As you can see, it is processing, and now we have uploaded the image. Now next is I want to click on the image and head on to open in browser. So as you can see, we have now the link. So make sure to save the link right about here, and I'm gonna go to my Discord again, and let's go to /imagine. This is the prompt that we want to use. So just click on the /imagine prompt right here, and now go back to the browser that we have just opened right here. Just copy the link of the photo that we have just recently opened in the browser and go back to Discord, and of course paste the link under prompt and just enter the command prompt that what you want to do with this certain type of photo. So I'm just gonna select drawn as anime. And once you have done that, I'm just gonna hit on enter. And as you can see, we will have to wait for Midjourney to generate the image and the command prompt that we have just recently done. So there you have it. Midjourney has now generated the image that we have just commanded Midjourney to do. So as you can see, this is the reference image that we have just uploaded, and this is the prompt that we have just created, like drawn as anime. Now if you want to save this, or if you want to upscale this, just click on upscale right here. As you can see, U1, this is the if you want to upscale this image, just select on U1. If you want to upscale this image, just hit on U2. And if you want to upscale U3, just click on this image. And if you want to upscale this image, just click on U4. Same as variations. So if you want Midjourney to have some variations of this certain type of photo right here, just click on V1 and so on and so forth. This image is V2, this image is V3, and this image is V4. Now the problem is Midjourney is not free, so I highly suggest you to subscribe Midjourney right about here. So there you have it. I'm just gonna go to manage subscription. So as you can see right here, I have paid a basic plan. Right about here, I have only paid a basic plan per month. Now if you want to save 20%, you can go to the pay yearly right here. So this is about right here. You have a standard plan, a basic plan, and a pro plan. So these are yearly billing, and the monthly billing is $10, and the basic plan, standard plan is $30, and the pro plan is $60. So as you can see, this is not free, so all you need to do is to subscribe to Midjourney. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some comments, some suggestions, or some questions, all you have to do is to hit your comment in the comment section below. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!